Hello my dear children, today in this video we will do English language, but before that you note down the syllabus of second UT. So unit test 2 syllabus of English language, chapter 15 the adjective, chapter 17 articles, chapter 18 the verb, chapter 21 forms of verb. Note for you children, students must read the chapters thoroughly as questions will be set from within the chapters and as from the book exercise. Grammar from all the chapters mentioned of reader book, that is your English 2, will be included. So the adjectives. First of all, we will read the following sentences. Ramesh is a handsome boy. Mohini is a pretty girl. Agra is a historical city. Amit is a tall boy. So in these sentences, handsome, pretty, historical and tall, what they are? They are adjectives. So because they describe the noun. So how we can describe adjective? An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Now kinds of adjectives. Adjectives may be divided into the following classes. Number 1 is adjective of quality. Look at these sentences. Suresh is an expert driver. This is an excellent book. China is a large country. Lata is a thin girl. Now in these sentences, expert, excellent, large and thin, they are adjective of quality because they describe qualities of person or things. We can say adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. Then we have adjectives which tells of what kind of person or thing is are called adjectives of quality. What they are called? Adjectives of quality. Second is adjective of quantity. See, she was not telling the whole truth. She was not telling the whole truth. Allow sufficient time to get there. She gave a little laugh. I do not have much money with me. So in these sentences, whole, sufficient, little and much, they are adjectives of quantity. They tell us how much of a thing is meant. So adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. Then adjectives which tells us how much of a thing is meant are called adjective of quantity. Third is adjective of number. See children, most boys like to play cricket. There are no eggs in the refrigerator. A rainbow has 7 colors. The most, no and 7. They are adjectives of number. They tell us how many person or things are meant. They are always used with countable nouns. Countable nouns, you remember children that we can count. So adjectives of number answer the question how many. An adjective that tells us how many person or things are meant is called the adjective of number. Fourth is distributive numeral adjective. Each girl performed in the drama. Every word of it is absolutely true. Either computers will do. Neither news is false. Now in this sentence, each, every, either and neither, they are distributive numeral adjectives. They refer to each one of a number. So definition, an adjective that refers to each one of a number is called distributive numeral adjective. Number 5 is demonstrative adjectives. This photograph is mine. These pens are his. That notebook is hers. Those garments are theirs. So in these sentences, this, these, that and those, they are demonstrative adjectives. They point out which person or thing is meant. So demonstrative adjective answer the question which. Okay, this and that are used with, this and that are used with singular nouns. These and those are used with plural nouns. You should remember this thing. So adjectives which point out which person or thing is meant are called demonstrative adjectives. Sixth is possessive adjectives. This is my friend. These are our photographs. Please give me your pen. Mohan has filled up his application form. Mohini helps her mother in household work. The dog has hurt its tail. Their behavior was very rude towards us. Now, my, are, your, his, her, its, their. They are possessive adjectives. They are used to show that someone owns or possesses a thing. They are always used with nouns. So, we can define an adjective which tells us about a thing owned by someone is called possessive adjective. Now we will study, children, about forms of the possessive adjectives. The following are the different forms of the possessive adjectives. Try to understand. Person, singular or plural. First person, my, singular, and plural, are. Second person, your. Third person, his, masculine. For masculine, her, feminine, its, and neuter gender. And plural form, their. For all the genders, plural form is their. Seventh is interrogative adjective. Which book do you want to buy? What manner of man is he? Whose wristwatch is this? Now in these sentences, which, what, whose, they are interrogative adjectives. They are used with nouns to ask questions. So we can define adjectives which, what, and whose when used with nouns to ask question are called interrogative adjectives. So my dear children, how many kinds of adjectives we studied? 7 kinds. Now we will study position of adjectives. Dear children, adjectives are used in the following 2 ways. First is attributive use of adjective. An adjective is generally placed immediately before the noun. Now look at this sentence. Amit is an intelligent student. Noun, student is noun, and intelligent is adjective. So it is placed immediately before the adjective. This adjective is placed immediately before the noun. So this is called attributive use of adjective. Understood? Second, predicative use of adjective. When an adjective is placed after a verb, it is called predicative use of adjective. Example, the man is very old. Now verb is here and adjective is old. It is placed after verb. So this is called predicative adjectives. My dear children, now take out your notebooks and start writing what we have studied. Define adjective, give examples. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Example, tall boy, red rose, blue shirt, thin girl. Now kinds of adjectives. First, adjective of quality. Adjectives which tell us of what kind a person or thing is are called adjectives of quality. Example, expert driver, large country. Number 2, adjectives of quantity. Adjectives which tells us how much of a thing is meant are called adjective of quantity. For example, whole truth, little laugh. Third, adjectives of number. An adjective that tells us how many person or things are meant is called the adjective of number. Example, no egg, 7 colors, most boys. Number 4, distributive numeral adjectives. An adjective that refers to each one of a number is called distributive numeral adjective. Example, each girl, every word. Fifth, demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives which point out which person or thing is meant are called demonstrative adjectives. Example, this photograph, these pens. Possessive adjectives. An adjective which tells us about a thing owned by someone is called possessive adjective. For example, my book, your pen. 7th, interrogative adjectives. An adjective which, when used with a noun, asks a question is called an interrogative adjective. Example, what bird is this? Whose purse is that? Now we will study about position of adjectives. Adjectives are used in the following 2 ways. First is attributive use of adjectives. When an adjective is placed immediately before the noun, it is called attributive use of adjectives. For example, Amit is an intelligent boy. Moini is a pretty girl. Predicative use of adjectives. When an adjective is placed after a verb, it is called predicative use of adjectives. For example, the man is very old. Her voice is very sweet. So my dear children, today we will do this much. Rest of the things we will do in our upcoming videos. So you revise the chapter and note down all the work. God bless you all.